This is POCO X5 5G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, connect your device to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store. Make sure to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, you gotta click at the green install button that you should have over here. Here it is. And now simply wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively, which does not take a lot of time at all. Now you can just go ahead and launch the app. In here, while opening or while booting Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple yet unavoidable setup procedure. So in here, tap at the blue continue button, then choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, or you can always skip this step and configure your default browser later on. And in here at this final page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.